Hey everyone! In this video, we're breaking down how to invest in penny stocks the smart way. Penny stocks are low-priced shares, usually trading under $5, and they come with high reward potential, but also higher risks. So if you're thinking about jumping into this market, here's what you need to know. Don't start with solid research. Penny stocks aren't like big-name companies. They usually belong to smaller businesses with limited information available. That's why you've got to dig deep. Look into the company's business model, leadership, finances, recent news, and the industry it's in. Next, make sure you're using the right trading platform. Many penny stocks are traded on over-the-counter markets, not the major exchanges like the NYSE. Choose a broker that lets you access those markets, and check for any extra fees or commissions that could eat into your gains. Now, don't go all in right away. Start small. Only invest money you're comfortable losing. It's all about learning the game without taking a huge hit if things go south. Liquidity is another thing to watch. Some penny stocks don't have a lot of buyers or sellers, which means getting in or out of a position can be tough. Focus on stocks that are actively traded, so you're not stuck holding the bag. Always use limit orders when buying or selling. With penny stocks, prices can move fast. A limit order helps you control the exact price you're willing to pay or accept no surprises, no slippage. No slippage. And of course, have a plan before you hit that buy button. Set your targets. Know when you'll take profits or cut losses. Don't let emotion run the show. Stick to your strategy. Once you're in, stay active. Penny stocks can react quickly to news and events, so keep an eye on your investments. Watch for updates and be ready to move when needed. Finally, be realistic. Not every trade will be a winner, and that's okay. Losses are part of the game. What matters is managing risk and making smart decisions over time. That's the real key to navigating penny stocks like a pro. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more investing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.